This is another edition of the Health Ministry Weekend Review. Stay with us as we recap this past week's activities. On Friday, July 26th, several residents of Cane Grove, East Coast Demerara, were delighted to receive their spectacles from the Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony, Minister of Health. The Health Minister took time out of his busy schedule to assist in dispatching the prescription spectacles to children and senior citizens who benefited from the eye testing outreach held at Cane Grove Health Center on July 6th. Meanwhile, on Saturday, a conference was held on climate change, health, sepsis, and justice at the Guyana Marriott Hotel. The conference, organized in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, the University of the West Indies, and the Caribbean Sepsis Alliance, aimed to engage scholars, researchers, policymakers, and leaders from various fields in discussion to develop innovative solutions for present global problems. Speaking at the forum, the Health Minister noted that the ministry has taken several steps to make the health sector climate resilient. He added that the ministry has conducted assessments of the overall health system for pandemic preparedness.
To prepare ourselves, one of the things that we did our annual assessments in terms of the readiness of our system using SPAR, one of these methodologies that you use to do the evaluation of your health system. And we are one of the few countries that actually brought in an external team to do a joint external evaluation of our health system and its preparedness for future pandemics. And based on these findings, we have now been able to set up our National Health Security Plan, and we are now working on implementing that plan.
The following day, residents of St. Cuthbert's Mission, Region 4, were able to utilize their eye testing vouchers for comprehensive eye examination at their community health center. Minister Anthony visited the location and interacted with several residents who expressed their appreciation for the vouchers and the services brought to their doorsteps. On Thursday, as Guyana celebrated Emancipation Day, Minister Anthony attended a celebration ceremony held at the Golden Grove Primary School. In delivering brief remarks at this event, Minister Anthony noted that the 1823 rebellion was the largest not only for Guyana, but in the Western Hemisphere. He added that the 1823 Memorial Monument on Visinjan Road signifies the importance of this historic event.
Today you can see, if you go up by Visinjan Road, you would see that there's a monument there that is called the 1823 Monument. And that monument celebrates the heroic struggle of the 10 to 14,000 people that rose up in Demerara against the system. And it was one of those rebellions where a lot of people got killed, but it's largely forgotten. So it is something for us to remind ourselves about.
Thereafter, he attended another celebration in which an arch was unveiled in recognition of the history of the village of Victoria. Delivering remarks at this auspicious event, Minister Anthony said that while the day is meant to be joyous, there is a need to educate the younger generation on the history, struggles, and accomplishments of their foreparents. He further highlighted the significance of preserving historical memory and the measures taken to ensure that future generations remain aware of the past.
We have to find ways and means of how to teach people this history because it's important.
In wrapping up this week's review, on Friday, to commemorate World Breastfeeding Week, the Ministry of Health's Food Policy Division hosted a breastfeeding education and awareness symposium. This has brought us to the end of this week's review. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at this year's Building Expo.